this thing turned out and see how it turns out. I think we definitely got some sanding opportunities here. But I don't think it looks too bad. I could have taken this down some more here and got more into some more resin, I believe. Yeah. But I had a big, as you can tell, piece there that was broken. I think what I did is it broke and I put it back, just set it there and let it cast in resin, if I remember correctly. And it kind of floated, as you can tell. I like how the resin comes through the cracks. I love that. Just lightly comes through. I'll have to sand this up big time here. Put some stabilizer on it. But I think all in all it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna come back and get this a little bit more later on. All right. So I finally got my shipment in, and I got my Alumilite Quick Coat Epoxy. So you should be able to see right there. Quick Coat Epoxy. And that's what I'm going to use today. Let me put this out of the way. I was doing another bowl. Putting a coat on it. Alright, so I should be able to put this on. And this will be tack free in 4 hours. So it's 3 equal parts by volume, not by weight. So, get where I can see these things. Because, well, when you get older, your eyes can't see as well. And I know for a fact I shouldn't need as much, but I'm going to try to do 12.5. And I should have brought a razor blade with me. There we go. Alright. Right off the bat, it seems a little thicker than the Alumilite Clear Slow. But we shall see. Alright. 10 and 10, 20 milliliters. And we're going to mix this up really well. This is a lot thicker than the Clear Slow. It's much thicker than Alumilite Clear Slow. That I noticed right away. Seems to take up a little bit more too. I think it's going to take more than Clear Slow. Clear Slow would take about 15 milliliters to get a coat on. This seems to take a little bit more, but I think it's getting a thicker, more even coat. That's what it appears to be. Yeah, I hear you. There we go. Starting to get evened out now. Trying to save the rest of this for the inside, but I just might end up mixing up another batch for the inside. So I want to make sure I get a good coat on this. Alright guys, so I got the bowl off the lathe. This bowl consists of a spalted maple blank that I cut up, Alumilite clear slow for the casting with eye candy pigments. The pigments that I used were this blue here, Azora blue, Saturn yellow, and then I mixed UFO green with Okinawa green. Kind of dyed down the UFO a little bit to mix those two colors together. Cut that up, and then I put a resin coat on it because I was doing it wrong before, of Alumilite Amazing Quick Coat epoxy. This stuff is amazing. It does a great job of putting a coat on. It can even make a guy that don't know how to finish do a great job. Quite honestly, if you just follow the instructions. I think the finish turned out amazing. There it is. I still got to put the bottom and put my sticker in it. There you go. That's it. Well, if y'all got any questions, please put them down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Any other information, please hit me up. I'll try to answer all your questions down below. Y'all have a good one. Till next time.